Beans, beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot. Well, this is a challenge for a lot of people just getting started on a protective diet, as well as people that have been eating fiber for years. And you're like, oh, I can't eat beans. I still can't eat beans. It just makes me bloat. It gives me too much gas. It's embarrassing. Well, you know what? I have a couple tips, 2 different tips for you. So that song, I was thinking about it. We used to sing it when we were kids all the time and laugh. Well, the more you eat, the more you toot. That goes 2 ways. If we overconsume and we eat too much food and our digestive microbes are overwhelmed, it could be too much starch or a low fiber food. It's going to make us bloat and gassy. So watch your portion sizes so that you're not overwhelming your digestive good guys. Or as your microbiome turns over and detoxifies the bad guys and you get used to fiber, I want to warn you to eat small portions of chili. So that's why we have it as chili mac. We're eating the macaroni noodles, the instant cheese sauce, and the shredded lettuce to veg it up. This turns it into a 50-50 plate. We've got our fresh veg of the romaine lettuce. You might not want to go as heavy with the romaine lettuce in the beginning if you're just getting started. Go ease in on the fiber. Go heavy on the starch. And when I'm saying starch, I'm talking about pasta, rice, potatoes. Those foods are our energy foods. They're important on the plate. And then as we've been building our digestive microbes who prefer fiber, we can lean more fiber heavy. But even with the beans, Jerry and I, we're like a cup or 2 of beans, and that's our limit. Otherwise, you know, beans, beans, beans. The more you eat, the more you
toot.
So, just a heads up on that. Treat beans like they are the meat on your plate. That is the best way I could tell you how to eat them and manage it. So, when we used to eat steak, we wouldn't fill our plate with a steak. It was part of the plate. A piece of chicken. It was part of the plate. It was like a condiment on the taco. If you remember back to when you ate a traditional standard American taco or burrito, it was like a little bit of meat. Well, do the same thing with your beans and you're going to have no problem digesting them after you get through your detox on a protective diet, after you've been doing this a little while. Get through it. Introduce those high fiber foods to your digestive system, to your digestive dynamos who ferment them and digest them for you. Don't be like, oh, we're eating beans now, and then eat a huge plate of beans. My brother and I were talking about this, about the plant-based Taco Bell meat, and he said, it's like, treat it like meat in your taco. Don't eat a bowl of it. Have a topping of it. But the challenge is that stuff is so good, right, Jason? If you haven't tried that yet, my brother can't get enough of it. He keeps talking about it, but he spreads it out over several days, or you could freeze it in a portion. So you give yourself a break from those high fiber lentils, which are just like beans. So meet me in this classroom twice a week. Tuesdays and Sunday night for the Sunday Night Live coaching hour, and let's talk about these subjects so we can help you over the hump of introducing a protective diet to you and your family or your friends. Take care.
And best of health.